doing a website audit and I thought I'll share this with you. Now, this is a B2C website and this is their homepage. And here's what I came across. Visitors on your website don't have any background. They may or may not have any background. So for me, even if for that entrepreneur, these terms might make sense. But for a visitor outsider, these terms do not make any sense. So why will the visitor click on the call to action? They won't. Reason being, they don't have any context of what's going on. Now, what you can do is give some heading or some context, get my disc assessment, but for what problem, right? So you could give some problem here so that people get context. Okay, this is the solution. Disc assessment is the solution for that problem. Maybe you want to understand your leadership style. So get understand your leadership style. That could be a heading. And the CTA button is get disc assessment or get your disc assessment. You would avoid writing my, because people don't want to be sold to, but they love buying. So writing a word like my in the website is not it lowers conversions. Meaning, if your website is not converting people, how you'll understand that is you'll go to your Google Analytics and see how many monthly visitors you're getting on your website. If you're not able to convert at least 1 to 2 to 3% of those visitors into paying customers, that means your website is a bad website. And that problem could be mainly in terms of copy, the words on the website. In that case, you should consult to a copywriter and you should take steps to fix your website. All right. So see you in another video. And till then, and I would also encourage you to share this video with someone who has a bad website, because the goal of this video is to spread awareness. Most entrepreneurs don't know they have a bad website, and they will not know unless they understand what is a good website versus what is a bad website. So share it with your friends who need to see this and get their websites fixed. All right. Till then, bye-bye.